If you want to improve your pickleball, stop trying to play like the pros. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. The Better Pickleball channel is designed to help players who are over 50 live their best lives on and off the courts. If you never want to miss a new video, make sure you hit the subscribe and then the bell. You don't hit like a pro, you don't play like a pro, you don't train like a pro, and most importantly, you don't play their opponents. So stop trying to play like a pro. Now let me clarify that before everyone piles on. If you're trying to change your technique, it's best to emulate a pro. After all, they are pros. If you want great footwork, look at Jennifer Lucor. Who else is more consistent than perhaps Gigi LeMaster? Want a great backhand serve? Look no further than Scott Moore. What I'm saying is you don't play their opponents. If you want to get better at your level of pickleball, figure out how to do these three things. Number one, figure out how to solve the problems that you encounter today. What is it that you face every time you walk out on the pickleball court? Number two, separate out the skills that you will need to solve the problems when you get to the next level from the skills that you need to improve today. Number three, you know me, plan, plan, plan. Put a plan into place to start building those skills. Let me give you an example. Players are obsessed with spin, but depending upon your level, that may or may not be a skill that you need to have today. Is spin valuable? Sure. But I can't tell you the number of times that I have players asking me how to spin a serve when they're not capable of hitting a simple serve deep in the box consistently. The question becomes, what skill would help you more at the level you're currently at? A consistent deep serve or a serve that spins? Conversely, I've worked with some players who have moved up a level and they're still hitting a simple serve. However, at their new level, they need to add some variety to that serve or learn how to hit a serve that spins. Now, some of you will be saying, great, CJ, I get it, but how exactly do you do that? The first thing you can do is to become a student in the game. Well, it is great to watch professional pickleball players. They are fun and they are exciting. You will probably get more value from watching tournament videos of people who are your age at your level. Professional players are able to have rallies which can go 20, 30, or 40 plus shots. However, if you watch most 3-5 and below level players, average rally is somewhere around 5 shots. It tells you which shots are most important for improvement at that level. The second thing is self-awareness. Take a critical look at your pickleball game. What are your strengths and your weaknesses? I have one of my most popular resources, a pickleball inventory, along with the practice plan just for you. And you'll get that by clicking down here. Once you've got that, there are 2 different playlists, one focusing on the basics and a second that focuses on the harder shots in pickleball. They're full of resources to help you solve the problems at your level right now.